friends, welcome to another video of Property Expert Academy. My name is Sumit. I heard that you wanted me to answer some of your questions that you find in your property investment journey. So I've decided that every week I will be answering your questions live. So what you do is whatever questions you have to help you in this difficult time, I'll be answering your questions for free every weekend. All you do is just mention your questions in the comment section below, and following weeks I'll be covering all those questions answer in my next video, which I will be publishing on more likely every Sunday. I'll be keep doing this as long as you have any questions that you like me to answer for you. So any questions that you have related to property or property investment, or if you're stuck anywhere in your property investment journey, feel free to type your questions in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions for you. So as you may have heard me saying that, what I can do because of my multiple skills, neither a surveyor can do on its own, or a solicitor can do on its own, or a accountant or a tax consultant can do on its own. So because of my multiple skills, I can answer your questions related to property much better than any other professionals. In order to get regular update and the notification for our video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you like to be the first one to get notified about our videos. So I look forward to seeing you next week, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions that you will leave in the comment section in the following week. So stay safe, invest in education, invest like a pro. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.